Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to reset your Volkswagen Jetta service light. This light often appears after routine maintenance, like an oil change, or when a scheduled service interval is reached. It's a helpful reminder, not usually an indication of a serious problem. We will walk through a straightforward manual method that typically takes less than 1 minute to complete. This guide will help you clear that dashboard notification quickly and efficiently, getting you back on the road with a clear display. To begin, make sure your Volkswagen Jetta's ignition is fully turned off. Next, find the 0.0 or set button, usually positioned on the right side of your instrument cluster. This button is key to initiating the reset process. It is crucial that you do not start the engine. Simply turn the ignition to the on position when instructed. This ensures the vehicle's computer is ready to receive the reset command without engaging the engine. Now press and hold the 0.0 or set button. While keeping it pressed, turn your ignition key to the on position, but remember, do not start the engine. Continue holding the button for approximately 10 to 15 seconds until you see a message like Reset Oil Change Service Interval or a wrench icon appear. Once this prompt is visible, release the button, then quickly press it one more time to confirm the reset. After confirming the reset, turn your ignition completely off. Then, restart your Volkswagen Jetta as you normally would. Observe your dashboard. The service light should now be off, indicating a successful reset. Remember, this procedure only clears the reminder light. It is vital to perform the actual maintenance, such as an oil change, before resetting the light to ensure your vehicle remains in optimal condition and to prevent potential issues down the road.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.